What is up? What is up? It's the Crazy 1870 with an unboxing and first look, first impressions, all that good stuff of the Google Pixel 4a. Now I'm currently working on my full video on the Note 20. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, the video should be up tomorrow. If you guys have not checked out the video quality coming from the Note 20, hit the link right there. That link is going to take you back to that video. That way you guys can check out what kind of video footage or video quality you're gonna get with the Note 20. So back to the Google Pixel 4a. This right here will set you back at about 350 bucks when we're talking about the baseline model. I think unlocked version. So here's the phone right out the box. We're gonna go ahead and leave that for last. You also get the standard usual paperwork and a SIM card tool to remove that SIM card tray. Power brick. USB Type-C charging cable to charge your device, and you also get your adapter. So back to the Pixel 4a. Now, right out of the box, my first impressions is, even though this does have a plastic rear end, the phone does not feel cheaply made. Considering the price, you're talking about 350 bucks. For some reason, just the phone just feels premium. It feels solid, and most important, it just doesn't feel cheap. So here at the top, you do have a 3.5mm input jack. On the side, you have your power button. You also got your volume up and down, your speakers, and also your charging port right at the bottom. On the back side, obviously plastic construction, your fingerprint sensor, which is gonna pretty much unlock your device once you activate that fingerprint in settings. I'm gonna go ahead and show you really quick right now. So boom, look at that. Super fast, super easy. Watch. Boom. Look at that. It's fast, very easy, very simple, and just very smooth. Look, boom. So once again, we got the cameras on the rear end. Now we're talking about cameras. You have, I think, a 12.2 megapixel shooter. You also got a 27mm wide. Who doesn't like wide images? Now, when we're talking about video, you're looking at 4K at 30, and you also have a selfie camera right at the front. Now, that one is a 8 megapixel shooter f2.0 with a 24mm wide as well. And obviously video, you're looking at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, what about under the hood? What are we getting with that $350 price point? So as far as under the hood, you're looking at 6 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 730, and a 3140 milliamp battery. Now, as far as your screen, you're looking at that 5.8-inch screen with the res of 1080 by 2340. So I'm really looking forward to testing this out. Once again, I think one of the biggest things with this phone is the fact of the price point, 350 bucks. I mean, it's just gonna be most definitely appealing to a lot of people considering the price point of a lot of smartphones at the time. So Google Pixel 4a, let me know if you guys wanna see anything interesting or anything in particular. I should have the video up pretty soon. Maybe you're thinking about picking it up, but you don't know if to drop to 350, but I mean, again, 350 bucks. It's just very, very attracting. So don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos. Check out the site, LooneyTechTV.com. Everything that you need to know. You want to contact me, my social networks, everything on the site, LooneyTechTV.com. Links down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.